Before starting, turn off the unit. Then open the doors. Unscrew the bolts, take out the cover plate and remove the mainboard. Connect the pressure card. Next, cut the transparent tubes in half and connect them to their corresponding places. Put everything back and turn on the unit. To activate the accessory, head to Service Settings. Key in your unique password. Go to Universal Input. Find the page with the pressure card settings. Select Flow. Go back to the Service Settings menu. Select Control Regulation. Then head to Fan Control and change the airflow type to Flow. Adjust all 5 airflow levels to suit your needs.